Mr. Sluggy Proceed!
Of a lifetime. I need my crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. En route for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. What can I find for a friend?
It's all waiting for you on Coruscant. Non-stop flights depart daily. Consult the Star Tours ticket agent for further details.
Galactic Security would like to remind you to keep carry-on luggage and packages with you at all times. Never accept packages from any life form or droid you are not familiar with.
Did you hear that, Doctor? We must all be vigilant.
Droids are not permitted in checked baggage. Thank you. Clear. Well, what have we here? Computer, identify please.
Computer.
I know you are, but what is that?
Computer.
I don't have time for this. Destroy!
Destroy. Computer destruction complete.
What?
Clear.
Oh, it was a computer. Well, why didn't you say so in the first place?
I did.
Oh, I hope it wasn't yours. My bad.
Clear.
I hope that you've enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. We had a blast at the park. Star Wars is not the only attraction that is on the park. There is also Toy Story, mainly focused for kids. There is Indiana Jones, there is an entire Sunset Boulevard, an elevator tower, scary things that I didn't want to do. And I wanted to focus this video on Star Wars because that was my favorite part. That's where we spend the most time. There is 2 rides open at the moment. There is Star Tour 1 and there is the Falcon Millennium. You have different spots and tasks to accomplish, whether you're a pilot, an engineer or something else, which makes the ride quite interesting. You can do it multiple times in a row and don't have the same results and don't have the same role in the ship, which I found very interesting. The people in the park are really into character. For example, I had my R2-D2 jacket and people were saying, "Hello R2, how are you?" Nicholas has his Stormtrooper cap, which means that whenever we were on the Empire side, the Stormtrooper were saying hi to him, basically. So it was fun. Another thing that I loved is the bottles, the merchandising. These are specially designed for Disney and Star Wars park bottle of soda. They cost $6, but people managed to throw them in a trash, so we gathered them up. The only thing that we didn't have is a special cap, but I mean, that's good enough. That was free. I would also encourage you to go visit the restaurant. We did one, and they had a allergy-friendly menu, which was very nice. They take allergy very seriously. And we wanted also to try the cantina, but every time we went, there were 75 minutes of queue. You can buy a fast pass or take a fast pass. I wouldn't encourage you to do that if you want to go in. because we weren't able to even look at it because there were so many people in it. The last part that I was very excited about is the droid factory. So there you can build your own droid. You choose the head, you choose the body, and you can even choose the character, which means the voice of your droid that comes in a little USB key. You get everything on a platter, and then you go to a stand with stools and you build your own, and then you can bring it back home. This is the only place where you can do that. It was very expensive. I think it was about $100, so I couldn't afford that, but it really looked cool. So yeah, overall this was a very great day. I think when they opened the final attraction, it would even be better. But I mean, I was completely into the universe, and you don't feel inside Orlando at all. You really feel inside another galaxy. And I know that because I don't always take pictures of toilets, but these ones were very cool. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Feel free to share this video with someone who wants to visit or is a massive Star Wars fan. I know that my dad and my coworkers were kinda jealous. May the force be with you.